Welcome. If you're looking to update the admin titles in your Telegram group using the PC app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the title of a group admin with the latest Telegram update. Whether you want to add a personal touch or clarify each admin's role, here's how you can do it quickly and easily. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the group where you're the owner. Only the group owner has the authority to change admin titles, so double-check your permissions before proceeding. Once you're inside your group chat, look towards the top right corner and click on the three dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Group. This section gives you access to all the settings you need to customize your group. Inside the Manage Group menu, find and click on Administrators. Here you'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Scroll through and select the admin whose title you want to change. After clicking on the admin, you'll see their current permissions, and at the bottom, a field labeled Custom Title. This is where you can type in any title you want, whether it's moderator, tech guru, or something unique to your group's vibe. You can use up to 16 characters, including emojis, to make it stand out. Once you've entered the new title, simply click Save. The admin's new title will now appear next to their name in the group chat and member list, making their role instantly recognizable to everyone. And that's it. You've successfully changed an admin's title in your Telegram group on PC. This feature is a great way to organize your group and highlight each admin's responsibilities. Try it out and give your group a more personal touch today.